Hey everybody, Daniel Mosnet here with Cowboy Charcoal, and we've got some lovely lemony chicken thighs for you today. That's right, we're taking our barbecue and we're lightening it up a little bit. We're using a cut of meat that's a little bit less expensive with your chicken thighs, and I know we're all looking for some of those recipes that are a little easier on the wallet. Well, this definitely is one of them. We're cooking this lemony chicken over Cowboy charcoal briquettes. These are all natural charcoal briquettes. We're also gonna use some apple wood chips, and those apple wood chips are gonna provide a little color to the chicken. It's also gonna provide a nice fruity little bit of flavor, and I'm telling you, you're gonna love this recipe. So now that you know how we're gonna cook it, let's talk a little bit about what we're gonna cook. All right, we've got a few chicken thighs here. Now, they look a little bit dry, and that's on purpose. What I like to do is make sure that before I use my chicken thighs, I put them uncovered in the refrigerator for about a day, or at least overnight. And that helps to make sure that all of the chicken is nice and dry. And the drier the chicken before you put it on, the crispier the skin you're gonna get when you start to barbecue. Okay, so the recipe is very simple. This is the marinade. You're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and that's gonna help all of your ingredients stick to the chicken. We're gonna add some chopped garlic. This works a little bit better if you can put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in your refrigerator overnight. We're using a bowl here so you can see. We're using Girl Carnivore's Over Easy. Now this is similar to like an Italian dressing. You can also make this recipe with a little bit of Italian salad dressing. We also have that on our website, cowboycharcoal.com, so go ahead and check it out there, or you can make it from scratch like I'm doing today. So a little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh parsley and a healthy squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now you wanna make sure you use fresh lemon juice because you're gonna get a lot more flavor than if you use those little cans of lemon juice that you find in the store. So grab a fresh lemon and squeeze your fresh lemon juice. We're gonna mix this up just a little bit. And like I said, if you did this in a Ziploc bag, you're just gonna mix all these ingredients and then let the chicken sit in your refrigerator for at least 4 hours and up to overnight. Once this has marinated, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put this on a 2-zone fire. Now, we want indirect heat to cook our chicken. We want our chicken to come up to temperature, which is about 175 for dark meat. We want our chicken to come up to temperature nice and slow. The slower that you can get the chicken to come up to temperature, the better it's gonna taste and more of that fat's gonna render, and the more the meat is gonna break down and be nice and soft and chewy and delicious. So we'll put these on the grill and let me show you what it looks like when we take them off. Got our nice 2-zone fire here. I like to start them with the skin side up. So we're gonna turn them once or twice during the cook so we make sure we get that skin nice and crispy. And now let's add some of our apple chips. Easy for you to say. Okay, we're just gonna put our apple chips right on top of our charcoal. And that's gonna instantly give us some smoke, about 3 handfuls. That's gonna last us about 30 to 40 minutes or so, which will be about halfway through this cook. We're gonna add a few more about halfway through to make sure we get smoke all the way through our cook. When you see the fire coming up this high, all you need to do is just shut the top of your lid. That'll deplete some of the oxygen in there, and you'll start to see the smoke here in just a minute. All right, so it's been about an hour or so. We've been cooking our chicken at about 300 degrees, but make sure that the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 100 and about 170, 175. I like mine 175. My wife likes hers about 190. She likes well done chicken. So make sure it's to the desired doneness that you like. And what you're gonna see when you take your chicken off the grill is you're gonna see, this is what you're looking for, a nice, well-colored, dark chicken thigh. And these look fantastic. And you can see the skin is nice and tight, nice and juicy. You're gonna add a few bits of lemon. You can cut these into wedges, or you can cut these into thin little slices, and you can nestle them right in between. And then you can leave a few. Some people might like to just squeeze some right over the top, but let's give it a try. I love these chicken thighs. Chicken thighs might be one of my kind of low-key favorite things to eat off of the grill. Hear that crispy skin. We have a bunch of really good flavors from all of that apple wood that we used. A lot of great smoke, but not over smoked, and the lemon just really brightens the entire dish up. You can add some salt right to the top if you want, right as soon as you're done plating. You can add some fresh parsley flakes. Any way you go, this is an absolutely fantastic dinner and so easy for you to make. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe to all of our social channels. Log into www.cowboycharcoal.com for all these recipes and so many more barbecue tips and tricks. And until next week, keep cooking with Cowboy.